Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, Liza. Hi guys, what is up? So as you can see, I am in a car today. I feel like taking you guys along with me for my day. I'm off today. I have quite a few things to do today. And I also wanted to give you like makeup updates throughout this video because, you know, I've been trying some new stuff lately. And some of it is just not working for me and I don't like it, and they're about to get returned. So this is how this is going already. But I am on my way to my job, which I hate to do on a day off, but it's for good reason. I need a pair of new glasses. I've been needing them for quite a while now, and I'm not about to go on my trip with these rugged ass glasses that I've had for almost 5 years. Yeah, I need to get my life together. So I'm gonna go order my new glasses and I'm pretty excited about it. I've already picked out the frames and stuff like that, and they're by the Lucky brand, and they're kind of like an ombre color on the frames. Is like kind of like a brownish that goes into like a teal color, which I absolutely love, and Emily helped me pick them out. So I'm gonna go do that, and then what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do a Starbucks run. I got 2 videos to film later, and I have to get into my garage, you guys, to organize, to throw stuff out, and to put stuff aside because I'm gonna do a garage and baking sale on November 2nd. So if you are in town, come and see me, drop some coin, help me get to my trip. So that's how this is gonna go. So let's get to it. Okay, first off, let's talk about this NYX foundation while I'm waiting at this light. So I've only had this foundation on for maybe like about an hour, and I have a full face on like I wanted to do. Like I mentioned in my last video, if you have not seen my NYX foundation review, you guys, I'll link it up above for you. But I'm at this point gonna return the foundation. I don't like the way it's making my skin look. There is no glowiness to it. I feel like it's just sitting, well, it literally is just sitting on top of my skin, and it's not blending and becoming one with your skin the way a foundation should. And I have plenty of great foundations that do that. So that is the #1 reason why I'm gonna return it back. And second off, like, it's already creasing into like my nose area, and it looks a hot mess. Let me show you real quick. See that? Ugh. I just don't like it, and it's already like coming off like on top of my nose and stuff. I haven't even had it on for like more than an hour, you guys. Like, this is ridiculous. So with that being said, I'm gonna return the foundation because yeah, it's not a great one. I really do like the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation doesn't do that. Like, it becomes one with my skin. It, you know, doesn't get cakey, and that's another thing that I've noticed, like all around my mouth is getting cakey and stuff like that. So I'm just like, really, I'm not feeling that. I feel like if you have oily skin, you might like this foundation, so try it out. But I feel like people with normal to like dry patchy skin like I do, it's just not gonna look good. I freaking did everything to manipulate this foundation. I set it, I mixed the foundation in with some primer, I put extra primer and moisturized extra. Like, I did everything you're supposed to do to have a flawless face, and with this foundation it is just not happening. So I'm returning it, you guys. So yeah, I'm at my job. I'm gonna get my I'm gonna order my glasses, and we're gonna keep it moving. All right, my beauties, I ordered my glasses. I'm so excited to get them. Sorry, the key was like in front of the camera. I'm gonna insert a picture of what they look like, and I freaking love them. I hope they're supposed to be here in like 2 weeks. I got to see everyone at my job. Everyone is on the front line. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get some Starbucks, and then I'm gonna head home and film. All right, guys, so I did my Starbucks run. I don't know if I can like run this red light. Like, no one is coming. I don't know. I always get confused here in Florida with some of the lights because they got cameras everywhere now, and I'm just like, really? So I did my Starbucks run, and I got the guava white tea with Lemonade Sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys, their teas are insanity. Lately, I've been into their teas. Emily got me into their teas, and I'm just like, thanks, friend, because now that's all I freaking drink. I mean, it's a lot cheaper than the Frappuccinos and the coffees and stuff like that, and it is a lot healthier. So, I try not to get them too sweet. But on a side note, I did just get a compliment on this lipstick by the barista. And I have to tell you guys, I did the whole like lip scrub thing and the lip balm thing as well before putting on the lipstick. And so far, so good, you guys, on the second round with this lipstick. I really, really want to keep it. It is a gorgeous lipstick. It's right up my alley. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I'm paying attention to this light. You know, I love the color. The formula just feels great. It's super comfortable. It's not cracking or caking or anything like that. I just don't like after a few hours how it was lifting on me and it just got clumpy and nasty. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. So far so good with the lipstick, you guys. I'm probably gonna keep it as long as it doesn't give me all that nastiness that I had going on the first time with it. So fingers crossed that I can keep this lipstick. If I don't and I end up returning it as well, I definitely still want to try their other stuff by the Oma brand. Like, I still want to get one of their eyeshadow palettes and try their foundation and stuff like that. So you guys, I'm cracking up right now. I'm in my area and I'm sitting at this light and a huge bike like team just crossed by, like maybe like 20-30 bikes. And I'm laughing because if you guys are not a fan of like the biker shows like Sons of Anarchy, shows like that, I am. And they are currently giving the second season of The Mayans, which is a spin-off show from Sons of Anarchy. And one of the guys on the show who plays Angel, his name is Clayton in real life. I'm totally obsessed with him at the moment, but he is just so gorgeous, right up my alley. Oh my gosh, Lord Jesus, please help me meet him. I kid you not, you guys. So yeah, it just made me think of him in the show. And I totally like, oh my gosh, you know, like one of those chicks who fan out. I'm a tard. But I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys can know like who I'm into at the moment, and it is Clayton from The Mayans. I know his last name starts with a C. I think it's like Cardenas or something like that. I don't want to ruin his last name, but I also follow him on Instagram, and you guys, he's like 6'3", taller than me, which is great. He's 2 years older than me. I'm living for him right now, so help me like meet him one day. He's probably in the LA area, but make this video go viral so he knows that I'm a huge fan and I freaking love him to pieces. But yes, you guys, so let's keep it rocking. All right, you guys, so I just finished filming my September purchases. Yeah, my September purchases. Excuse the mess back there, but this is everything that I purchased in the month of September that I will be showing you guys in one of my videos. And I am about to change and head into my garage and do my thing, chicken wing. So I don't know if I want to take you guys into my garage. It's for the most part organized, but it's not always fun showing a garage. It's just like, they're always like creepy and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm gonna have the garage door open, and I just, you know, wanted to share you guys like sort of like a behind the scenes thing. You see me do this before on my channel. So this is what it looks like, my mess there. And I was just like recording, you know, my ring light over there and my camera and stuff like that. Yeah, this is how I live my life. And I absolutely love you guys, because I love you guys and I love doing this stuff. And I love having fun with you guys and just like being me. And I appreciate you guys so much for even like watching my videos and just even subscribing to my channel and liking me and giving me your feedback and leaving comments. And you know, some of you guys just leave the sweetest comments, and I really appreciate it and love you guys for it. So yeah, that And I don't want to get emotional, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'm an emotional person. I gotta stop. Oh my gosh. But yeah, you guys. So, oh, really quick, because y'all know that I'm like obsessed with like burgundies and cranberries. Hence, like my eye makeup right now. This is Marc Jacobs. This is Oma Beauty, and then my T-shirt. But I found a new cranberry sweater. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm definitely traveling with that sweater. So, all right, you guys. So, I'm heading to my garage, and if you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. Maybe I'll just show you my beautiful mess that is my life and take you along with me. So, I will be right back. All right, you guys. So, I'm in my garage, and I'm putting on some surgical gloves because I do not want to touch anything that's nasty or gross. I hate insects, and it's not going to be fun. But I gotta do this to make some money. So I'm gonna, I look everywhere, you guys, because I'm like, what is that? What is that? I'm gonna start on this side. It's fairly organized, but I need to just go through all of this again and figure out what I actually want to keep, what is gonna benefit me. Am I actually gonna use it? Or am I just hoarding shit that I'm not gonna use? So I'm gonna think like a minimalist at this point and just get rid of maybe 80 to 90% of the stuff that I have in here, because it's just not that corner. It's also all of that. Even though half of that is my mom's stuff, like she's got all the holiday stuff, you know, as you can see, like the scarecrows, I bought her those for my job last year. But some, like half of it is mine, half of it is hers, and some of it is like Christmas stuff and all that kind of jazz. So yeah, let's see what happens in here. All right, you guys, so I decided to vlog a little bit with you guys here again because I'm coming across a lot of things that I'm like, wow, did I really save this? Or like, wow, this is old and vintage, or like, wow, did I really hoard this? And some of the stuff I'm glad that I can give away to like family members that want certain things or they collect certain things. Like I used to be into Playboy stuff like back in the day, and my cousin really is into Playboy stuff now, so I'm just gonna give him all the Playboy stuff there. So I'm glad I can help him out with that stuff. All this stuff so far over here I'm gonna put out into the garage sale. This, I just found this. This is a box full of all my RSVP'd notes from all my family and friends that went to my Sweet 16. That's how old it's, like I've had it. Like it's been a really long time. Like I can't believe I still have this. And I asked my mom, I'm like, Mom, should I keep this or should I throw it? She's like, you still have the RSVP notes? I'm like, yeah. She's like, dang girl, what's wrong with you? So I'm gonna toss this, but I'm gonna switch the camera around. I also, oh, I don't think I can, hold on. But I also, this bag right here is full of all my cards and like the book that people sign at parties from my Sweet 16. So I would definitely keep that. That is just a memory, and I still remember my Sweet 16 as like if it was yesterday, and it's been a while. It's been a while, you guys. So right now I'm getting into this bin right here, and it is a lot of like Yankee and Derek Jeter memorabilia. So I don't know if I'm gonna check some stuff out on eBay and possibly get some cash for this. I also found, and I was talking to my cousin Joanna and Kiana about it, eBay stuff. I found my collectible NSYNC dolls, like, oh my gosh, like intact, still sealed, in the box. I wonder if I can get some cash for those, and an original VHS of NSYNC and Britney Spears. And I also have the Chris collectible doll as well. So I'm coming across some gems and thinking about putting some stuff on eBay, and if I am going to do that, I need to do it ASAP because I need some cash. Okay, you guys, this is gonna be my last of today. So I'm pretty proud of myself because I got through, I think like 8 boxes and like bins, like the heavy duty bins. I feel disgusting right now. I have a headache from like the smell. It's so gross. I can't, you guys. I threw away a lot of stuff. I organized. I have 3 full bins of stuff so far of stuff that I can sell, and then I have 2.5 bins of stuff that I'm keeping. The rest went into garbage. I filled up 3 full garbage bags of like just trash and garbage and stuff that was broken and stuff that was eaten through and stuff that just didn't look good and just was just nasty, and old papers and all kinds of stuff like that. So I'm glad and proud of myself that I got through that. I literally was thinking like a minimalist, and I was just like, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this, let's get rid of that. So I saved the most important stuff to myself, and I am ready for a freaking shower right now. A real quick update, I'm gonna keep the lipstick because the second time around was a lot better. So I'm definitely going to keep the lipstick, and I am very, very happy about that. As for the foundation, it is definitely going back. I hate it. I do not like it. It is a hot mess. It caked everywhere. It did not stay where it needed to stay. I like double primed, even with like Hourglass primer, my T-zone, and my T-zone looks like utter shit right now. And as you can see, the foundation came off everywhere. I have foundations that don't come off when I sweat, and for this and I like set this foundation a lot, you guys. Like, I did a full face to the T and did everything that I usually do to have like a really, really nice like get up on my face. Foundation is going back. So that is my update for you guys. So you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video if you thought it was fun just hanging out with me and just like chilling for the day and going through what I go through behind the scenes here and stuff like that. So I love you guys. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.